power like you've never seen. Meet the Greenworks Pro 3000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer, built for pure performance. This is more than just a pressure washer. It's a powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. At 3000 PSI and up to 2.0 gallons per minute, you're looking at cleaning units that hit 3,300, enough to blast away grime, grease, and dirt from every surface. Whether it's your driveway, siding, or even that hard-to-reach rooftop, this machine will handle it all. The TruBrushless Motor delivers unmatched electric power. Forget the hassle of gas. This 14-amp motor provides consistent, reliable performance, making gas washers seem like yesterday's news. And with JetFlow Technology, you're getting up to 50% more water flow, meaning you'll clean higher and rinse faster without losing momentum. Durability isn't an afterthought here. The heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump ensures better-than-gas performance, while the rugged steel frame construction and never-flat 10-inch wheels mean you can move across rough terrain with ease. It's tough on messes but smooth in operation. Let's talk convenience. With a 25-foot kink-resistant Uberflex hose, you won't waste time fighting tangles. And for versatility, you have 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees nozzles, plus a soap and turbo nozzle to adapt to any surface you're tackling. Everything stores right on board, so no more searching for parts mid-job. Even starting it up is hassle-free. Just push a button and you're ready to go. And thanks to the PWMA certification, you know that every performance spec has been rigorously tested, so you're getting exactly the power promised. Whether you're cleaning your patio, deck, or vehicle, the Greenworks Pro delivers the maximum inlet temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring even the most stubborn dirt melts away. And all this power is housed in a compact, easy-to-maneuver design that weighs just 23.5 kilograms. Ready for even more cleaning power? The best gas pressure washer is ready to play on the screen now.